Brenda here with roaming and recording with a hotel tour of Hotel Arts in Barcelona. Our stay here following a transatlantic cruise was nothing short of extraordinary. Conveniently located just 2.3 miles away from the Barcelona cruise port, you can get here quickly by taxi, bus, or walking, depending on your travel style. What makes Hotel Arts truly special is its special blend of luxury and convenience. With a mesmerizing beachfront view, lavish pool, on-site spa, relaxation is simply a step away. And yet, its prime location offers the added bonus of being within walking distance to the vibrant Gothic and Jewish districts. Need to venture a little further? No problem. Hotel Arts offers a complimentary town car service to whisk you to a central point in the city, from where you can easily embark on a journey to marvel at one of Gaudi's architectural masterpieces, Casa Batlló. If you want to go further into the city for the iconic Sagrada Familia, convenient bus or Uber services are readily available. Hotel Arts is a Marriott Ritz Carlton property, so you know it's something special. We arrived at 10:30 a.m. and were warmly greeted by the hotel staff. We were delighted to be able to check into our room so early. A woman escorted us to a room, and that's when the already amazing service was kicked into overdrive. They had upgraded us to a higher floor with the beach view. Upon entering the room, I saw a handwritten birthday card and balloons for me. As the attendant was showing us how to work the tech in the room, a knock came at the door. A young gentleman came in and said, "Happy birthday! Here's some bubbly to help you celebrate." I was so touched. And then he said, "There was more." Wow. He came back in with exquisite handmade chocolates under a dome. Wow. So, a tip to remember is let the hotel know if you're celebrating something when you make a reservation. I remember they asked me, and all I said was it was the end of a birthday cruise. I couldn't believe how special they made me feel. As we often do, we booked this through American Express Fine Hotels and Resorts and received the following benefits included in our cost. We received an upgraded room to a higher floor and a beach view, 2 complimentary drinks in P41 bar, breakfast for 2 at the Lokal, an €80 dining credit that we used at the Pantry, Wi-Fi, and we received early check-in at 10:30, but we did not utilize the late checkout since we had an early flight. We put the food and beverage value at about $225, not including the champagne and chocolates for my birthday. Now, I'm sure you'd like to see the room, so here we go. This is the Hotel Arts, Barcelona. We'll go in here. We did get an upgraded sea view room. Here's the restroom for that, first of all. A nice big bathtub. Across from there, there's your closet. And it is my birthday trip, and they were very kind and did a little birthday celebration. And they gave us champagne and a really yummy looking cake. The coffee is complimentary, the water is complimentary. I assume that these things are not. And nice little seating area. And an amazing, amazing view out there of the beach and the city. Notice the large closet with safe, iron, and ironing board. The bathroom has a large shower and bench seating with multiple shower heads from the ceiling and the wall. The bathroom also had a toilet and a bidet, plush towels, shampoo, conditioner and body gel, soap, and facial soap. The hotel has 6 restaurants to choose from the fine dining at a Michelin star venue, casual poolside eats, drinks at the bar, or the amazing Speakeasy restaurant. There is something for everyone. We had drinks at the P41 bar, dinner at the Pantry, and a breakfast buffet in the morning at the Lokal. Every meal was fabulous. We went to the Pantry right when it opened. We were confused as we gave our name because you were in a wine shop, and the maitre d' began to explain that the food and wine served are all sourced locally or are local favorites, but there was no restaurant to be seen. That's when he pushed a button and the entire store opened up into a hidden restaurant. Very beautiful inside. We were the only ones there for the first hour. We ordered some local beef and ham, a hearty cheese toast, and wine. It was delightful when our waiter brought a large machine to slice my ham tableside. It was thin, silky, and extremely tasty. After dinner, he brought out a complimentary birthday dessert of fresh cream, fresh fruits, and coffee with a mini muffin on the side. We truly enjoyed our meal and the staff, who are all very friendly and fun to chat with. We had breakfast at the buffet at the Lokal the next day. It featured many fresh pastries, fruits, yogurt, eggs, and meat. I think what truly makes this hotel stand out is the exceptional service we experienced from every single staff member. We were always greeted by our names when we came into the lobby. I was impressed they could remember us. We used the concierge, a very young man, who helped us make the best of 24 hours in Barcelona. He made our dinner reservations, created a walking tour for us to see the Gaudi House, local market, and the Gothic district. He secured VIP tickets to the Casa Batlló and arranged the town car to take us to the city center. It was perfect for what we wanted to do and our level of activity. We made sure to thank him when we saw him the next day. It was the cherry on the top of an amazing stay. If you'd like to see what we did in Barcelona, please like and subscribe to be the first to see when it's posted. We do appreciate every like since it helps me know what content you enjoy and, of course, helps our little channel get more views to the right audience. Thank you for tagging along, and please consider the Arts Hotel on your next stay. I would say the service here was the best of any hotel we have ever stayed in. Until next time, keep roaming near and far. We'll see you soon.